Snap Supplements sent me this Spirulina and Chlorella supplement for my review. This is a 2-pack. It does come with the gut health that I just tried, but now we're going to be trying this one here. This is like those super green foods that we all hear about, so viral these days, and usually they taste kind of weird because of all that kind of like just added green stuff. And by green stuff, I mean, listen, I'll read it up. You got obviously the spirulina, which usually is in a little pill form, like super hard. This is a capsule, a gel capsule, so a lot easier to take, obviously. You've got cracked cell chlorella, organic barley grass, organic kale. See that green stuff again. You've got alphala grass, organic wheatgrass, organic oat grass, lemon juice powder, a bunch of grass, a bunch of things that are great for the gut, great for the digestion, but obviously not always super fun to take. So let's look at this package. This is a 4-pill dosage per day. So you've got 120 capsules in here, good for a month. Fantastic. This is what the capsule looks like. A little gel cap, 100% vegan, which is super. And let's close that up. Let's try it out. By the way, I wanted to make sure that we had a smell test. Okay, so the smell test, when it comes in this form factor, like in the pill, when you are smelling all of the pills together, it does have almost like a grass smell. But by itself, it's very hard to determine the smell. So let's try it. In my mouth, obviously, 4 pills at a time, I wouldn't be able to do it. I'm a very picky kind of pill popper. I don't pop that many pills. But it's very easy to go down with just a little water. I can see myself doing 4 in a row, no issues there. And the great thing is there is no aftertaste. There's no leaf, grass, spirulina aftertaste at all. There's literally nothing, which is great. So yes, the bottle, when you open it up, it smells like something, but going down, it tastes perfectly like nothing, which is great. So it's going to be super easy for me to add this and this to my daily routine.